Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog. This time we're at Holiday Doubles. I'm bowling with Kamron Doyle. This tournament is ridiculously high scoring every year, and this year I do something a little bit crazy, so stay tuned to find out what we do over the next 13 games. And if you guys want to help me out, feel free to click that subscribe button down below and we can get to 90K as quick as possible, hopefully before the end of the year, and I'll start giving away some bowling balls all the way through the end of the year. So don't be afraid. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. All right, so I'm about 4 games in now. We finally had our first good game where we shot 505 between the two of us. Kamron's really been doing a lot of the legwork here so far, but I've finally found a look with that top speed, and hopefully I can capitalize on it these back 4 games to give him a little bit of help, because right now we're about 230, 300 over. It's gonna take anywhere between 380 and 450 over to make this cut. So we're right on pace with 4 games to go. So hopefully we can start striking. Hopefully this top speed continues to give me a really good look.
you're good. If you stay where you are, you're good.
This is our game. So there was a reason for that ball change. As you guys saw from most of the shots of that 300, I wasn't exactly going high flush into the pocket. So I wanted to switch to a quicker ball knowing 300 or 299, 297, it really wouldn't make the difference to me other than, you know, an honor score. Awesome for me. But in terms of the tournament, I wanted to look to get the most pins possible out of my block, not just out of that game. So I switched balls to a little quicker ball. Luckily, it still struck. I shot 300. Yeah, so there actually was a reason for that ball change on the front 11. I wasn't just doing it to mess around. Maybe a little bit. But now, after that block, we were 505 over, and we're going to need probably a similar block, but this time we only have 5 games to do it. And we're bowling immediately after. So this is the back 5 of the 13 games, and we're gonna need to get to about 900 over. All right, so we're only like 600 over. The cut's going to be about 900 over. There's one game to go, and what I'm thinking now is that Kamron and I are going to bet $20 on this last game. Just a little friendly wager between the two of us, and I want you guys to tell me, do you guys ever make a little friendly wager between your league teammates or anybody like that when you're building a tournament? Maybe your league teammates, maybe you just make a little handshake bet between the two of you like Cam and I did. But let me know down below in the comments if that's something that you guys do during tournaments, leagues, or just bowling fun with your friends, or if you don't like to do that at all. I bet this man 20 bucks and he starts striking game 12. Ugh.
I bet my teammate 20 bucks and he finally starts striking. God!
This is our game.
This is our game.
So I'm gonna need the first one on the 10th here to lock them down. Need the first one. So that wraps it up here at the Holiday doubles for me. Bowled well, didn't see the right shape on the lane some of the times. Good lesson learned, just gotta see it a little quicker. And overall, 36th place out of about 200 teams. Nothing to shake my head at. Shout out to Cam, thanks for bowling with me, appreciate it. I'll see Cam next year at this tournament again, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday for another special challenge video. And until then, peace.